we all know how important dash cams are, and it certainly seems like in a very short time, the technology in dash cams has certainly advanced. Well, the folks over at VOXX Electronics are introducing a new rival in the dash cam category. And this time, they're coming guns a-blazing because this thing is packed full of ADAS features. To find out more, we're going to connect with our good friend Daniel Bisceglia over at VOXX. Now, Dan, this is not a typical, cheap dash cam. This thing is really loaded. What can you tell us about, the development of this new dash cam for VOXX?
Hey, Ben, thanks for having me today. And yeah, we have a really cool dash cam to talk about. When it comes to this dash cam, I like to start off saying that first and foremost, this dash cam is like every other dash cam on the market. It's got a 4K front camera. It's got a 1080p rear camera. It does all of the great recording stuff that dash cams do in general. But what's really cool about this one and kind of sets itself apart is that it has AI built into it, and it uses that AI to monitor the forward-facing camera and the rear-facing camera to give you some ADAS and collision avoidance features right in the unit. And it even has a really cool interface to monitor while you're driving.
Well, hold on a second, because you just used a buzzword, right? You said AI. Okay, so let's back up a second. This is a dash cam, like you said, like all other dash cams. It's 4K, it's 1080 in the back, so therefore it's a 2-channel system in the box. I'm going to assume it's got a great, low light performance. I'm going to guess Sony Starvis. That's what you're
Yeah, that's right. It uses the Sony Starvis sensor.
Okay, but let's now get fast forward to the good bits, which is that AI bit. You mentioned some collision avoidance and other ADAS features. So why don't you walk me through a couple of the cool features and how they work as far as the user interface? Because that's what I'm trying to figure out. Like, it's just a dash cam. How do we know what's going on?
Yeah, so the dash cam has a 3.5-inch screen, and it has an AI interface right as one of the options for viewing on that screen. So you can see right away what's being monitored by the front or rear camera. And the cool thing is it has a little picture of your car, and then anytime it detects another vehicle on the road, that other vehicle pops up as a target vehicle in red. And then it monitors your speed in that vehicle to determine if there's going to be a forward collision or a rear collision, for example. It also has pedestrian warning and pedestrian collision detection, so that if someone happens to walk out in front of you, it can monitor how close that person is and give you a warning and hopefully prevent any type of injury. It also uses the rear camera to monitor the blind spot of the vehicle. Right here on the camera, we have 2 LED indicators. One is orange, one is green, and it indicates the left or the right side of the vehicle. So when there's a car driving along in your blind spot, you get that light warning on the screen, and it's easily identifiable by one of the 2 colors. And then as you start to get closer to that vehicle or change lanes, it's going to pop up and give you a warning through that AI interface to let you know that there's a vehicle in that blind spot and you're getting too close.
Sometimes products come along that you scratch your head and you're like, why didn't we think of this to begin with? Because everything you just said there, if we rewind just 2 years ago, right here on the same show, we would have had to go get a blind spot sensor kit, drill holes and stick on LED somewhere in your A-pillars just to get that. Then you got to have to drill your bumper with different solutions. I mean, you've just packaged everything into something that simply mounts on the dash. I mean, that's pretty exciting stuff.
Yeah, it's really cool. Technology is moving along so quickly, and you're right. It's amazing to see how quickly we can get new features into existing products.
All right, so let's continue down the checklist, because if you're tuning in now, VOXX is introducing a new dash cam with AI that has built-in ADAS features. So we talked about the fact that it's a 2-channel. We know about the resolution. Now you touched on some really cool ADAS features. Let's talk about some other important features that consumers might find very important, such as parking mode. And in order for parking mode to work, we would need some type of hardwire kit. So I guess it's a 2-part question.
Yeah, so out of the box, the camera comes with a USB cable for power. And if you don't have an open USB port, we even provide a cigarette lighter adapter for the USB-A connection. But we also offer a hardwired harness kit that gives you constant power, ignition, and ground. Now, when you connect all 3 of those, you can turn on the parking mode feature that monitors the vehicle when it's parked in your driveway or parking lot.
Dan, we're checking off like literally every box I can possibly think of for a dash cam. ADAS check, parking mode check, hardwire kit check. What about an app? I'm guessing there's an app that we can view videos and maybe some other features as well.
Yeah, that's right. There is an app available in the App Store. It's the VOXX ADAS app, and it connects using Wi-Fi between your phone and the dash cam itself. It allows you to view videos on the SD card. It allows you to download that video. And then when you're viewing the videos inside the app, it even provides you more data, like the location of the vehicle on a map. It provides you your trajectory, your speed, your G-forces. So you can see a lot more of what's going on with the car rather than just the video itself.
Well, I'll tell you, I don't know of any other dash cam that's got this much going on. So this is some pretty exciting stuff. This is the model ACADC5. It's a brand new dash cam coming to you from VOXX. Listen, I don't have many other questions other than, hey, what are we talking about as far as, MSRP price, and what is the availability?
So the camera is available today. MSRP is $299 and MAP is $249.
Amazing. And where should people go to get more information?
If you need more information, you can always go to our website, voxelectronics.com.